Hi everyone, my name is Mr. Lei. I would like to take a moment to share with you how to share your computer screen uh, in Google Meet. So first of all, you log into Google Meet, and on the bottom here, once you're in Google Meet, on the bottom it says Present Now. Click on it, then click your entire screen. Another window pops up. Click on the icon, the pictures. Click on it, then click share. And let's say you want to share with me your vocabularies, your assignment, anything that you have. Then if you want to stop sharing, click stop. And that's it. Thank you for watching.